your girl Marcy to be on back as promised with a new, about to start, a new installation of crochet braids. The hair I'm using is from Zury. It's their Ocean Wave. Now, I know everybody and their mama got an Ocean Wave. I've even tried a couple. I've done the Bobby Boss and the new 14-inch Harlem 125, but hadn't done Zury in a while, so when I saw they came out with their version of the Ocean Wave braid, I decided to get some. They sell theirs in a 3x value pack. You see there you got 3 bundles. It's 20 inches. They have it available in 8 colors, solids, and 3 sombres. I bought color number 2. And, this is a premium African braid, as you can see there. So it's not Japanese. And what else about this hair? The hair is soft, but it has a nice, firm, yucky texture. So hopefully that will be easy to crochet, loop, and tie without any issues. 3x value pack, like I said, so you do get quite a bit of hair, as you can see here. I bought 3 packs. I doubt that I will need 3 packs. I'm getting ready to throw this hair in though, so YouTube, stay tuned. Now, I'm not doing a tutorial. You do not want to see me stick my my latch hook under my braid, under my cornrow, and pull it through. Ain't nobody got time for that. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this hair in. I will be back with the finished result, so please stay tuned. YouTube, I'm back, and about 3.5 hours later, finally finished with my crochet install. Now, this hair is not hard to install. I just got spoiled with the elastic bands. That's just so much faster than having to loop and tie, but this hair does tie off really easily, and it has enough yucky texture to it that you don't have to worry about any slippage at all. That's the good thing. One odd thing about this hair, I know that it has kind of an odor, and I really can't explain how it smells. It's just, I kept smelling something. I'm like, what is that? It's the hair. Not sure what they used on it. Hope it wasn't, they didn't throw back to the alkaline. But although I'm not hyposensitive and I haven't experienced any itching, I didn't see like any residue. Not sure what they used to process this hair that's giving it this odor, but I just spray it with a little braid spray, a little vinegar and water, and if I continue to smell that smell, I will probably shampoo this hair. But another reason why it probably took a little longer than normal was that I was trimming this hair while I was installing it, because I'm only 5'4.5" and I really don't need hair down to my waist. I left one little strand right here so you can see what I'm talking about. See, you can tell how much hair I cut off. So, yeah, that took a little extra time too. Now, I ended up using 2 full packs plus 1 bundle of a 3rd pack. Now, you may be able to get away with just 2 packs if you separate the hair a little more than I did. It comes like partially pre-separated, and the strands are about this size. So that was about the strand size I was using. If you separate those in half, you could probably get away with 2 packs. But yeah, that's the 411. I bought my hair online at elevatestyles.com, $9.88 a pack. If I find other sites that have it, I'll also post those links below. YouTube, that will do it for this video. Now, if you have any questions, comments, you know what to do. Post them bad boys below. I'll get right back at you. As always, thank you so very much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I am up out of here right now to YouTube, and you know what I always say before I go. You be safe and take care. We'll see ya in the next video. Bye for now.